Do not hand me a platter of fried seafood without extra hush puppies on it. And today I'm showing you how to make them. Hush puppies are little balls of fried dough. They're so amazing because they're extra crunchy on the outside, but the inside is moist, tender, and a lot like cornbread. I'm gonna start by finely chopping a whole onion. To the onion, I'm going in with a half a cup of sugar and 2 eggs. You wanna get this whisked together before you add your flour. I'm adding in a little salt and pepper. And then finally, 1 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of self-rising cornmeal mix. Just stir it up. Let's fry them up. I love using an ice cream scoop for this because you kind of got to work fast. Plus, it's just an easy way to get the dough right out of the spoon. They're each going to be about 1 to 2 tablespoons, and they're only going to take a couple minutes to cook. How perfect do these look? If you haven't tried this Southern summer staple, now's the time.